today we're back with the video playing the Hyanka, I guess that's how you say it. I don't know how you say it, but y'all already know. We did the unboxing. Y'all see the brand. We got the 6.5 with the tweeter. Ran to this crossover right here. We're running it directly off the head unit, just in case some of you guys don't run it on the amplifier, but I think it'll work just fine like this. It's a great budget option. So, you know, if there's something you need, you might want to look into it. I'll leave the links down below. First, we're gonna play the 6.5 without the tweeter plugged up. Y'all know we're gonna use copyright-free music. We got the tweeter plugged in at the the positive 2 dBs on the little I guess it'd be a crossover. I guess that's what this is. I ain't never used one, so I just looked at the manual and got the information on how to do it. So yeah. Then we're gonna, once we do that, y'all go to the next video. We're gonna have the one with the subwoofer. So we're gonna do like an open, a free air playing. All right. Alright, y'all can hear it got plenty of bass in it. Like I said, this is running off the factory head unit power, not an amplifier. So I think it'll be a good option to use it without an amplifier in the doors or wherever you're gonna put them at. Putting them with an amplifier may give it too much power. So if you know you want to take that chance and running a lot of power on it, you can yourself. But I think it'll be just fine without it. So it'll be a good factory replacement for a setup. It comes, like I said, y'all see the unboxing. Y'all see it comes with 2 6.5, the 2 tweeters, the 2 crossovers, and all the hardware, the grill cup, speaker grill covers, and all of that. So we're gonna add the tweeter in with this. Let's see. to find another song. But y'all can see it sounded a little bit better with the Twitter. Do it without the Twitter again. Okay. No Twitter. We're gonna add Twitter back in. Let me know down in the comments what you think of the Hyanka set, speaker set, component set. This is what this is. Like I said, I'll leave the links down below. Of course, y'all use the links down below to support the channel. It doesn't cost anything extra. It's not a sponsored video. Of course, y'all see the products come with it. Of course, you get one of every, two of everything you see right here. And of course, you get the hardware, the speaker wires, and everything to go with it. Only thing you don't get is a screwdriver, so you have everything you need. You don't get a set. You get a set, but you don't get the whole vehicle. So you have to buy 2 sets. Be sure to like, subscribe. I'm gonna turn it up again, and we're gonna let this song right here go off like this. Let y'all hear the rest of the song. Be sure to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Be sure to share the video. Use the links down below. Of course, y'all see the hardware once again. And it comes with the little mount thing for this too. It's kind of heavy. I don't know what the deal is on it, but I showed y'all this speaker here.
Bye.